Do you have a dirty toilet bowl that you've tried to clean but nothing seems to work and you don't know why? Then come along with me as we discover what are the causes and what you can do to fix them. Let's go. Hey guys, Musa here from Quantum Home Improvements and Solutions. Welcome back. And if this is your first time to our channel, it's great having you join us. And so today I'm going to show you how to either clean or repair a dirty toilet bowl that appears to be uncleanable and hopefully bringing it back to looking new again. So I designed and built this house myself, including this open plan ensuite, which has a double basin vanity and also a wet area for the shower and this solid wall as a divider for the toilet. And so we moved in around about 10 years ago. And just before we moved in, I installed this Caroma Opal 2000 toilet, which is a closed couple toilet, which basically means it has the cistern bolted to the bowl and then sits against the wall. And so it's easy to clean. But over the years, the toilet's become more and more dirty and my wife just can't seem to clean it. And so after many years of doing renovations, I've discovered it's two major reasons why this happens. Now, the first one is the simpler one. It's when there's a calcium or limescale deposit, which can be cleaned. But unfortunately, the second reason is not so easy to fix. So if you're using any harsh, abrasive products, bleachers, chemicals to clean your toilet or even your tiles, that does take a layer of the skin off, and that means you may have to repair it. But I will show you how to do that if that's the case here. So first we're going to try to remove the stain using CLR, which removes calcium, limescale and rust, and it's a really good product and works on many different type of materials. And it doesn't have any alcohol, phosphate, ammonia or bleach in it, and it is septic safe. However, this product is corrosive and the manufacturer says that you do need to wash it down after 2 minutes with cold water. But in preparation, it's mixed 1 part warm water, 1 part solution. And now you can do this up to 5 times if you've got a really stubborn stain. And so now I did wash the toilet earlier with soft soap and we're now ready to get into it. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is remove the cistern cover. Just put that on the side. I'm going to flush the toilet. Okay, so now, as I said before, this has been cleaned. So I'm not worried too much about getting my hands dirty. But what I'm going to do is actually put a sponge in here and remove all the water. Now, the reason I'm doing this is when I make the mix, it'll be a true one-to-one mix. So if I don't do it this way, it's just going to be a guess. Plus, there's not warm water in there, it's cold water. I want to put warm water in there. So this sponge is flaking. You can see the flakes coming off everywhere. It's an old sponge, which I don't mind using for this. Okay, so now I'll just throw this water out and then make the mix. Okay, so now I've got 500 ml of warm water, which I'm going to put into the bucket. And this is a 1 litre container. And so now I'll just pour half into the bucket. I did give this a shake just before I opened it. Wow, that has a very strong smell to it. I'll just put that in. Okay, so there's now only solution in there. And I'll get the toilet brush and just give that a clean. Now we can't see what's happening because it's very soapy. And also, I'm going to clean around the bowl for any calcium underneath. It's looking pretty clean under there actually. And it's hard to tell if it's coming off, but I don't think it is. But I'll find out soon enough. All right, now we'll flush it and see how much it cleaned. Okay, we're not going to see much with that. And it looked like it did work to a degree. I'm gonna have to flush it a couple of more times to see. So as you can see, this system's a very quiet system. With the lid off, you can only just marginally hear it. All right, so that's full again. I'll just flush it one more time. Okay, definitely less bubbles this time. Okay, we'll give it one more go. Well, I'm pleasantly surprised. It's actually cleaned probably 2/3 of it. So if I do it a couple of more times, this actually might be good, might work. All right, so I'm going to clean that out again. Okay, so I've put some more in there. This time I only made a half a mix, because I want to do this a couple of more times. You can see pieces breaking off. I can actually see them coming up. Yeah, I can see pieces breaking off. Okay, 2 minutes is up. I'll flush it again. It's actually looking pretty good and the bubbles are there. Imagine how it's going to look when the bubbles are gone. That's looking pretty good. That is looking amazing. Okay, I'm going to clean it out again. So I've got an even less amount this time. Okay. I'll just tip that in. We've been trying to clean this with so many different products and nothing worked, and all we were doing is making it worse. Okay, so I'll just let that sit until it's time. Okay, so I'm just giving it one more scrub before the time's up. Okay, now I'll flush it again. Okay, because I'm putting less in there, there's not as much bubbles. Look at that. That looks amazing. So I'm going to have to do it one more time, and I think that'll finalize it. It's actually still enough for me to do it one more time if I have to. All right, let's pour that in. It's done. Okay, there's little pieces everywhere. I think this is final. Moment of truth. I'll flush it again. That is amazing. Look at that. I can't believe it. I can't stop saying it, but that's amazing. Okay, that's it. It's done. The show's over. I'm going to put the system cover back on. Wow, CLR made an easy job of cleaning this toilet, considering that my wife and I have been trying to clean it for a couple of years now without any success. She's going to be very, very happy. And also, it saved me a bit of time because the next step was to paint the porcelain and using this tub and tile touch-up made by rust-oleum. Now, I got this online, but you can get this from Bunnings. Now, even though I didn't use this today, I will be making a video in the future on using this product. So now, if you have a smelly bathroom and you're not sure how to fix it with your drains, I did make a video on that a while back, and I will put a link for that video in the descriptions below. And also, I did a video or two of them on how to install a Caroma Uniset toilet with my friend Salmin, and also with Eugene renovating a bathroom, and we used a different type of Caroma toilet for that. So I'll put a link for those two videos below as well. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. And if you have any comments at all, please leave them below and I will get back to you. And I'd ask you, please consider to subscribe, hit the like button and share this video, and there's many more to come. Thanks guys.